Assalamualaikum 3 class. I'm a skills teacher. Open your book. In our previous lecture, we studied that what is common noun. Common noun is the name of any person, place, or any idea. But today we will study that how we can make the nouns plural. So start student. When we want to make a noun plural, we usually add s. यानी कि जब हमने किसी भी नाउन को प्लूरल करना हो तो हम उसके आगे s लगा देंगे. However, we add es to the words which end in double s, ch, sh, s, x, z or double z. But जब कोई वर्ड्स इन लेटर्स से एंड करेंगे तो हम इनके आगे es लगाएंगे. I'll give you examples here. See students, how we can make plural forms of nouns. Firstly, we will add s and make the plural forms of the nouns. For example, book, we will add s and it will become books. Cat, cats. Star, stars. But the words that end in s, double s, ch, s, h, x, z and double z, we will use es to make these nouns plural. If we see s, gas, gases, glass, glasses, church, churches, wish, wishes, fox, foxes, the words that end in z and double z are not common in English. Just like the example I'll give you here, like whiz, it's a sound, whizzes, and double z, buzz, it's a sound also, buzzes. See here students, we added es to the words that end with the letters that are mentioned here. Now see here students, you will follow the rules that I have told you now and make the plurals of these nouns. See here, I have done. Firstly, ball, balls, toy, toys, bus ends in s, so I will use es. Buses, bunch ends with the letters ch, so we will use es. In this way we will solve all these exercises. First exercise, make these nouns plural. We will simply make these nouns plural. Second question, write plural for singular nouns with the endings given. Write 2 examples for each ending. We are given these letters and we will use it in the end, like class, classes, watch, watches, fish, sh, fishes, gas, gases, fox ends in x, and we will use it to make plurals. In this way we will solve this question. Now come to the second rule, that for many nouns that end in y, we change the y to I and add our es to make it plural. See students, if we are making the plural of the word that ends in y, अगर हम एक ऐसा वर्ड जिसके एंड पे y आता है उसको प्लूरल करेंगे तो हम सिंपली क्या करेंगे, y को रिमूव करके क्या करेंगे, हम I लगाएंगे और फिर es से उसको प्लूरल कर देंगे. सी हियर, लाइक कैंडी, वी विल रिमूव y and replace it with I and we will add es to make it plural. Candies, I in place of y and es. We will add es to make it plural. In the way, library, it ends in y. What we will do, we will simply replace y with I and put es to make it plural. And this way we will solve this question. See here, candy, we will make it plural by adding ies. In this way we will solve this question. Make the plural of these nouns: fairy, libraries, turn your page, hobby, daisy, story, balcony. In this way we will solve this question. See here students, some plural nouns are different from their singular form. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि जो सिंगुलर फॉर्म होती है प्लूरल फॉर्म उससे चेंज होती है. लाइक मैन, वी विल यूज e instead of a in man and it will become plural. Man will convert into man while making it plural. And here, and some plural nouns are the same as a singular form. और कुछ ऐसे सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स होते हैं जो कि प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में भी वैसे ही होते हैं और उनकी सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी वही होती है. लाइक शीप, sheep, they both are the same form, they have the same form. In plural form they are as similar as in singular form. So we will solve this question here. Like, write the singular form of each noun. We will simply make them singular. Like feet, its singular form is foot. Mice, चूहे, mouse, woman, woman, deer, deer, because it's have the same form as in singular as well as in plural form. Goldfish, quite similar to deer, and children will convert into child in their singular form. See students, some nouns are always plural. कुछ नाउन ऐसे होते हैं सिंगुलर फॉर्म में भी वो प्लूरल ही कंसीडर किए जाते हैं. लाइक शॉर्ट्स, शॉर्ट्स जो है binoculars, trousers. These are the words that doesn't change their form in any case. यानी कि वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में भी वैसे होंगे और सिंगुलर फॉर्म में भी वैसे ही होंगे. So see here, question number 8. Circle the words which have no singular form. I have already circled the words that are no, we can't make the plural of these nouns. They are singular as well as plural. They have the same form in any case. Like pants, scissors, spectacles, jeans, goggles, and pliers. So this was the lecture of today. Hope your concept is clear about noun as well as how to make the nouns plural.